Hey guys, I got all my gratis, my free gratis. Woo! I am so happy. So let's unbox. It's unboxing time. So I'm going to hold on, camera siya. So mag-unbox ko. First box. I'm so excited. I've been waiting. Saraka box. Oh, I got it. So, second box. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh my god. So I got this clarifying lotion. My oh my gosh, my chubby stick. Ako na po itong and my blackhead solutions. And my even better foundation. And then chubby sticks. Oh my gosh, it's so much. So this is the second box. The first box, only one item. Blush on. So I have this now. Next. Hi, next one. Let's open. Wow, I got this. I got my highlighter. I got my quick liner. Oh my gosh, bagura ko nag-adjustment sa money. Free. Okay. Last one. I think I have more. Oh yes. My moisturizer. So I guess that's it. That will be it. I know I have more. Wa pa naabot ang tanan. But all in all, thank you. I know I have more than this, but yay. so happy. Ay, grabe siya. Look, free. Grabe guys. Magwapa na jud ko ani. Thanks for watching.